welcome back to Keto Treat Day with the Keto Treat Gal. Coming at you today with a salty treat, and this one is so fun. Got my Keto Army shirt on, got my Green Army pants on, the Green Army hat, rocking the Keto Army today while I bring this awesome treat video to you guys. I am doing today pigs in a blanket. And we ain't kidding. These are really pigs in a blanket done keto style. Look at their cute little piglets. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. What we did is I bought this. My husband got it for me at Walmart. It is the silicone shaped like little pigs. And I have turned my little piggies, my little pigs in a blanket, keto style. I have seen different recipes for keto, but there's so many to the ingredients, like 16 ingredients. Mine are only 4 or 5. Basically what I did here is my almond flour recipe, which is super easy. It is just for every serving, which is a 1/4 cup. It's a 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I have 4 servings here. There was a little bit left over, so you could make more. It does do 12. It does 12 of these little pigs. I think I could have done another 6 of them. There was enough stuff to do 6 more, so I will make more, but I just wanted to get this video done. But I did 4 servings. So 4 servings would be, 4 of the 1/4 cups of the almond flour. It was, so then total it was, what I do, 1 full cup. It's 1 full cup of the almond flour, I believe, because it's a half cup, right? Yeah, so I think it's 1 full cup. You're going to see a slideshow and a voiceover and everything at the end, just so I know I'm going over it right. But it was just my recipe quadrupled 4 times. That's what I did. And then I bought the little cocktail wieners, and I did cut them in half and put them in. So when you're pouring it in the batter, you'll see I have pictures. I poured half the batter in, cut the little cocktail wiener in half, put it in, a half in each one, and then poured a little bit more of the mixture on top. Baked it in the oven at 350 for 8 minutes. Actually 10 minutes, sorry, for 10 minutes. So, but you guys will see the slideshow and how to make it. Super easy. This was $10, but it's going to be well worth it. You'll be able to make a lot of fun things out of it. They actually have a little booklet in here of things you can do. Of course, they're not keto, but I'm going to learn how to turn them into keto. So just so much fun to bring these to a party. I mean, shaped like a cute little pig. Look at these. Oh my gosh, how cute is that to bring a pig in the blanket shaped like a little piglet? You can't get any cuter than that. Now, I am alternate day fasting, so I am not eating today. I will not be trying this treat, although I've already tried it. I always make my recipes first to make sure that they're good, and or I have somebody try them to make sure they're good. Well, I've already made these and I love them. Absolutely love them. They turned out fantastic. So that being said, I know you guys are going to love them. I just can't try one today, but I'm going to save 6 for my husband, 6 for me tomorrow for my alternate day when I eat tomorrow. When I get to feast, I'm going to enjoy these. But yeah, they're just little pigs in a blanket. I've got some ketchup and mustard here. It is a sugar-free ketchup and then mustard. Make these, you guys. Bring them to parties. Make all my treat videos and bring them to parties so that you can stay ketogenic. Other people will eat these things and they'll be eating lower carb and getting healthier. I mean, you can make my cucumber salad, my little cucumber sandwiches, my little pizza, what I do, pizza rolls. I did the little pizzas itself, little round pizzas. You can do the pigs in the blanket. I've done so many things. Make them, bring them to parties so that you have things you can enjoy and stay ketogenic. All of these, all 12 of these came to 20 carbs. So each one is going to be a little over a carb a piece, which isn't bad at all. Absolutely not bad at all. Again, another low carb, delicious treat. Of course, these will be a little higher in fat because of the little wieners, but I cut them in half, so you're only getting half for each one. So they're not going to be bad. I would use it for a dirty keto, of course, or if you're in maintenance mode. But yeah, how exciting, you guys, pigs in a blanket. Now, I said, my mom had showed me a video online done with that same tray there, the pigs in the blanket, and they were done keto style, but it was 16 different things to the recipe. So it's just like, wow, I can't believe it. Now mine was only, like I said, the almond flour, the butter, the egg, the baking powder, and then of course the little wieners, and then you need to buy that little tray there at Walmart. They're $10. They're in the spot where it says as seen on TV, and they're the little silicone baking trays or whatever. They work great. You can see they came out great. I didn't even have to grease the pan or anything. I just made them when I was done. They cooled off. I flipped them over and kind of pushed them out onto the plate like that. And you see they turned out gorgeous and just adorable. So I'm super excited about this. But like I said, I'm alternate day fasting, so I'm not going to try this one for you, even though I've already tried it, and they are delicious. You will love them. I did add into my almond flour mixture seasoned salt. I just kind of seasoned salt, maybe about half a teaspoon through the whole thing. So it goes through the whole entire thing, just to give it a little bit more flavor, because when I made them that way last time, that's how I did them. Delicious. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take one, show it to you close, and then I'll break it open so you can see the inside, and you'll see it's a half of one of the little cocktail wieners. Now you can use hot dogs and cut them up as well, but there you go. There's the inside. Come on. You tell me that somebody isn't going to like these. Everybody loves pigs in a blanket, and now I've learned how to do them keto style so we can enjoy them. Everybody else does them with a pancake batter or a biscuit batter where they're very high in carb along with high fat. But, get them low carb, and then you can do the higher fat, especially on a dirty day or on an alternate day like I'm doing, or if you're in maintenance mode. And I just can't wait to have these tomorrow. Like I said, I've had them. They're delicious. My husband loved them. My family loved them. Everybody loved them. If you like the almond flour, you're going to very much enjoy these. It's got that, breading around them, the little wiener inside. I did the cocktail wieners, like I said. You can do hot dogs and slice them and make them, smaller like that too. But very low. Like I said, each one's going to be around a carb and a half a piece. So you eat 2 or 3, you're only at 4, maybe 5 carbs. I mean, a great way to enjoy a treat. Again, you guys, I did it again. And what I love about what I did is I took a keto recipe that was 16 ingredients. Sorry, I can't think of the word. 16 ingredients to the recipe. And I did it in, was it 5? The almond flour, the butter, the baking powder, and the eggs, and then just your little wiener. So yeah, 5 things to the recipe. That's it. And the other ones were 16, you guys. I always make quick and easy recipes, and these took 10 minutes. Literally, to make the recipe took me like 3 minutes to make it and 10 minutes to bake them. Can't beat that. And it's a perfect treat to have at home, to give to your children, to save on carbs for them, to bring to a party. You guys, come on, get on board. There isn't anything I cannot turn into keto. That's what I'm trying to tell you, that keto doesn't have to be boring. It can be fun. You can eat everything you ate before, but make it keto style. And I've done it again, these little cute pigs in a blanket. And yes, I want to dip into it, but I'm happy that I'm alternate day fasting. I love the way I feel when I alternate day fast, and I will get to enjoy these tomorrow after my 40 hours of fasting. I'm getting ready here in a few minutes to go for my 45-minute fast-paced walk. And then on the days that I eat, I do a 25 to 30-minute resistant cardio, which is lunges and squats and some weights, some crunches, some side-ups, some push-ups, some leg resistant. I do it all. And I am just firming and tightening and toning and feeling amazing, hitting autophagy every other day. I love it. Absolutely love it. Dark purple on the sticks. And like I said, I couldn't feel better than I do today. I love the way I feel. I love the way I'm doing this. And of course, it is till I get to goal. And then after that, I will still do 16 or 24-hour fasting. And once a month, I'm going to hit autophagy and do 7 days of alternate day fasting, because I love the way I feel. I will continue to always exercise too. Exercise is important. When you first start, a lot of people complain that they're fatigued feeling and they get that spaghetti-like feeling. That's only because your body isn't used to it. Get out there. I first got out there, I could only go a 10-minute walk. I could only do 5 minutes resistant. Now I'm up to 45-minute walk and a 30-minute resistant, and I feel amazing, and I'm looking amazing. My waist is getting so small. My belt loop is in almost 5 now. It's just amazing how small and tiny I'm getting, and how things are toning and tightening. You guys, come on, get on board. Get on board with keto. Look at the things that I've come up with. Look into my playlist under Keto Style Mukbangs. Look under my keto treats. There isn't nothing, you guys know, that I haven't recreated or invented very easily too. I make it fast, quick, and easy, and that's why I'm finishing up my recipe book and hopefully get it sold, and all of you guys will buy one of my books. I hope so, because I make it easy for you guys. Again, pigs in a blanket. so excited for this one, you guys. I was excited to share this. This is what I was going to do last week, and I got busy and couldn't get to the store. But try these. You're going to love them. So easy to make them. And definitely stay on that keto train. Stay strong. Be strong. Have these, like I said, for only alternate day fasting, long fasting, or if you're in maintenance mode, or if you're having a dirty keto day, then enjoy these. I did it again, you guys. I did it again. Little cute pigs in a blanket. I'm excited. Can't wait to have these tomorrow. But anyways, I hope all of you guys are doing well. If you need help, I'm sorry. Some of you guys, I have gotten back to some of you guys. There's some things going on in my family right now, so it's been a little bit tough, but I will get back to you. I will help you. If you need help, I link my email down in every one of my boxes. Just send me an email. I will help you with macros and to get started. I'm sorry. I believe her name was Vivian. I'm so sorry, honey, that I haven't gotten back to you. Like I said, there's some family issues going on right now. But I will get back to you, and I will help each and every one of you free of charge. And I offer all of this too. Watch my videos. You'll figure things out too, just watching my videos, all the information I give you. I have a miscellaneous playlist too that talks about my ketogenic journey and what I've done. And I teach you guys the 3 forms: losing, gaining, maintaining. When you're losing, you want to keep that fat low and use your body fat as your energy. I've done it through my whole journey and lost the weight so fast. In 15 months, 150 pounds. Now in like 7 or like 8 months, I've lost another 20 pounds in just the last few weeks, actually. But in like the last 8 months, I've been trying to do a few things: egg fasting, 24-hour fasting, things like that. But alternate day is my favorite, and I've lost like 20 pounds, you guys. It's just amazing. And I've done that, and I'm on my 6th week. So it's just amazing that even at the end, the last few pounds will come off super fast if you just listen to what I'm saying. Then you're going to get to maintenance, and you're going to up those fats. Then you're going to be at that 70% for fat or a little higher. And then for gaining, you're going to do, even more. You're going to do probably 200 grams of fat a day to gain weight. That's what my nephew did. So that being said, I was taught by professionals. I have a professional keto doctor, 2 nutritionists that are professional, and my brother that teaches it, professionally too. So I bring it to you professionally. I am, not a nutritionist or a doctor, but I bring it to you from professionals, and I want to bring it to you guys and help you guys as much as I can to understand. I've done studying myself. Study yourself too, and get on that keto train and see all these wonderful things that you can eat. Very low carb, lose your weight, and feel great, and get to eat all the foods that we ate before, but we just turned it into keto. I love you guys very much. This side. Definitely subscribe to my channel. That big red button there, hit that subscribe button so you're subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of all these videos and you won't miss them, especially my live keto questions and answers on Saturday or Sundays. And then also share them on my channel as much as you can so my channel will grow. I want to grow so I can help more people. I want to help the whole world get healthy. And then definitely shoot me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this keto treat video. Little piglets, or not piglets, little pigs in a blanket. How adorable. One more look, you guys. And yep, I know what you're going to say. How do you stay so strong? How do you not eat these? I haven't eaten, what is it going on? 5 o'clock. By 8 o'clock will be 24 hours since I ate. And of course, I'm going to go all the way through the night till tomorrow at noon, which will make me at 40 hours. And I'm getting ready to go for a 45-minute walk because I feel so much energy right now. And I'm not going to touch these. I won't touch them till tomorrow. And you guys know that you can believe me because the proof is right here. You can see, I've showed you, I've stand up, I've showed you pictures. You can see that I'm toning tightening. You know that I must be doing something right. So you know I'm not lying to you guys. You know that I am doing this, and I do try my treats when I'm on my alternate day, fasting, or if I'm on a day that I can eat. But because I am not going to try it, but I already can tell you it's delicious. I love you guys very much. Everybody take care. God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. There they are at Walmart, $10, as seen on TV. That's where you're going to find them. And God bless everyone. And always remember, everybody, what? Always remember to keep it keto. All right, here's what you're going to need for your pigs in a blanket. You're going to need to buy that little silicone piggy pop at Walmart. It's $10. Then you're going to need almond flour, the little cocktail wieners, eggs, butter, baking powder, seasoned salt. And now you're going to get all your ingredients together to make your almond bread. For starters, let's go ahead and preheat the oven to 350, and it's actually going to be 10 minutes that it cooks for. You're going to add 1 full cup of the almond flour, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons of the baking powder, and then 4 tablespoons of melted real butter. Then you're going to put in some seasoned salt. I used about a half a teaspoon. Then you're going to pour it into your silicone mats, not all the way full. Then cut your little wieners in half. Put each one inside, and then you're going to cover it with the rest of your recipe. Bake it in the oven for 10 minutes, like I said. Then pull them out, let them cool off, and then go ahead and kind of just push them out onto a plate upside down, and you'll see they're cute little piggies. And then I've got sugar-free ketchup here and mustard, and man, were they good.